Hi all, Induction flows tutorials. Here just pointing to handling some wraps optionals in latest version Swift. Optionals variable executions conditions handling case point of views. Here pointing to declarations options variable states and also pointing to handling executions flow of states by using single scopings variable executions point cases and also avoiding duplications copy variable execution states. Or better way of readables name states of variable inside flow of easy to access variables just for doing performance execution states point of view. So figure 1.0 see that all pointings variable state conditions behave. Just pointing to unwraps optional case execution states by using single scopings of variable state in case of accessing variables flow points of views. So figure 1.1 see that flow based arrow points. Here pointing to declarations of options variable states or doing executions flow state inside the functions in case of executions point of views. So figure 1.2 inside see that general terms informations points of views. Just pointing to before versions 5.7 unwraps optional case execution states by using double copies of variable states in case of accessing variables flow points of views. So figure 1.3 see that's all flow based arrow points. Here pointing to declarations of options variable states or doing executions flow state inside the functions in case of executions points of views. So figure 1.0 inside see that general terms informations point of views. Here pointing to model structures execution states showing error warnings in case of using single scopings flow points of views. So figure 1.5 see that info details to those point case behave. Here main pointing to model structures on wraps optional case. No effects to change accessing variable states or single scopings based cannot be executed and doing that conditions compilers provide error warnings in case of accessing variable inside performance logics point of view. So figure 1.6 see that info to declare model or accessing those variable states. End of screen just putting normal details of information about on wraps optional case.